Canada, information for life. When it comes to the design of automobiles, consumers' tastes are always changing. Car designers, therefore, must be way ahead of the trend-setting curve in order to anticipate and then meet customer needs. So what is it that influences our needs and expectations in the vehicle we drive? We posed that question to Jim Miller, the Executive Vice President at Honda Canada, an established trendsetter in technology, engineering, and design.
I think mostly their lifestyle, what their needs and wants are. Single, married, children, no children, cottage, no cottage. It sort of dictates what they need. Do they want performance? Do they want hauling capability? And that's going to really boil down to what type of vehicle they decide on.
How do busier lifestyles influence what people want in their vehicles?
A busier lifestyle, you need the access to something in your vehicle that's going to allow you to, reach your expectations in your busy lifestyle, whether it's a hands-free phone, a Bluetooth phone, a navigation system. Those are all tools that allow you to enjoy your life more while you're traveling.
How important is brand identity?
Brand identity tends to speak to who you are and what you stand for, and I think the design just reinforces that. So I think it's the design and the brand that sort of reinforces what this vehicle is and what it stands for.
To understand better the attention to detail needed to meet consumer demand, we asked one of the lead designers from Acura, Ricky Sue.
Before any design process begins, there must be a need. In this case, was a full model change. Full model change means that there's currently already a product on the marketplace, and we can take a look at this product and see how it's being successful. We'll also look at the market trend and how it's actually changing, and we can pull all these ideas together and create a formula and what we like to call a DNA. And in this case, we came up with the term bold and clean.
Tell us about bold and clean.
Bold and clean is in terms of the boldness of the front end, very bold in terms of also how it's recognizable as a brand and this brand image, and also how it's distinctive compared to other product in the marketplace. Has this clean exterior, is void of any clutter or unnecessary detail that could distract from the purity of the exterior shape, very clean and sleek, the wide shoulders and the stance and aggressiveness of the exterior.
Can you give us another example?
Another idea that we came up with was for the interior. We like to call it the layer and dynamic. And let me show you what that is. The purpose of layer and dynamic is to give both driver and the passenger a very enclosing, encompassing, luxurious environment. Specifically for the driver area, we have placed all the control relatively close to driver, giving that command center feel. It's also sculpted of all the center clustering controls, and also give it that layer three-dimensional feel to feel more luxurious. Also, the door panel, where all the surfaces of graphic are wrapping around the IP and then focus back into the center console to get a very dynamic flow of the surface and graphic.
Tell me about stealth functionality.
Stealth functionality will be our hidden third row seat. Let me show you where that is. Based on our research with the customer expressed that have very specific needs: cargo, utility, and 7-passenger capability. And it's because of that we designed the hidden third row seat. And third row seats are hidden because the customer also expressed they want to be able to carry 7-passenger, but without the vehicle looking like a people mover.
For more information on Acura design and technology, including the all-new super handling all-wheel drive system and active damper system, check out acura.ca. News Canada, information for life.